Hi guys, if you have watched the other Power Polygon videos, you must be aware of the features this project offers, like profiling your talk or changing the language of your presentation, and many other features with camera, etc. But I am doing this video to introduce you the Power Polygon remote control. Well, first things first. The first thing we have to do is going to the place where we downloaded Power Polygon, like in my case it's here, and then run npm install. It's going to install Power Polygon on your machine. Note that you have to use nodejs here, alright? Once the installation is finished, it's going to ask you for a token. Just write a keyword that you like. Now I am going to run it with sudo node run.js. This is going to start the server. Well, now that we have the Power Polygon service running in our computer, we can connect it to a projector so the audience can watch it, and we can access the address IP on port 8081 to hit the server. This is the Power Polygon service. It's delivering the list of demos and the list of all the talks that I have already created. Here in the right side of the screen I can see the buttons to open any of my talks, like this for example. I can come back to the root directory and see the list again. Let's open a simpler example, like the simple demo. Now I can enable the remote control because for now I am just controlling it from my computer. To enable the remote control, I come to the left top corner of the screen and then hit the remote control. I am going to use my mobile phone as my remote control. To do that, I open one of my browsers here, and then I am going to paste the address IP on the port 8081 as well, and by accessing it I will see the same screen I was seeing on my television, on the screen, but this time I'm going to unlock the tools here. By doing that, I'm going to be asked for the token. Remember that token you typed when you installed Power Polygon? So I'm going to type my token here, which is very secret now. And now I can see the special icons. So let's control the simple demo. This time I can see many different tools, and I can use gestures like pinching in or pinching out to see the other tools, or verify the settings. For example, I can adjust the size of the letters to fit better my screen, or I can even hide the presentation to see only numbers instead of the presentation itself. Alright, now as I showed you, I have already started the server in my computer, and I am accessing it in my web browser here, and I will open one presentation which is going to be the tutorial. And here in my mobile phone, I'm going to ask that very same address using the same port to access the features, and I will type in my token, which is still very secret, as you have noticed. And now I'm going to open the remote control of that very same talk, the tutorial one. Great. Now we are synchronized. And if I, for example, I swipe left or right, I will be passing slides using my mobile phone. Especially because I have already triggered the remote control here. I have enabled it. So I can use it. I can also pinch in or out to see other features. Like for example, let me use a pointer So I can draw a pointer on the screen, or for example, let me draw on the screen. Now I can just make some drawings in the presentation. I could also use the spotlight feature. The spotlight allows me to focus on a very specific place on the screen. Or I could just use these buttons to go further or backward. And I can also enable the camera. So I will be able to show the audience what I am doing with my device, for example, by doing this. This is pretty much it.